the leftover paint in the basement, the expired pesticides in the garage, those old batteries piling up. These items aren't just trash. They're a potential threat. Everyday hazardous items, if not disposed of properly, can pollute our soil, contaminate our water, and endanger the health of our communities. When these products have served their purpose, it can be confusing to know what to do with them. But here in central Minnesota, residents of Stearns and its partner counties of Sherburne, Benton, and Mille Lacs can drop these items off for free at the Stearns County HHW facility. We make it simple. Box up your old paint, used motor oil, dead batteries, expired fertilizers, extra pool chemicals, and cleaning products. All the hazardous items that shouldn't go in the regular trash. Place it in the rear of your vehicle and make your way to the HHW facility in Waite Park. When you arrive, you can simply drive through and stay in your car while our staff removes your items and gets you back on your way. After drop-off, items ready for disposal are carefully sorted and shipped to specialized treatment facilities. Plus, reusable products are offered for free in our reuse store, giving them a second life. At specialized treatment facilities, oil can be re-refined. Glass from fluorescent lights can be recycled. Leftover fuel can be blended. Chemicals can be neutralized. And pesticides can be properly incinerated. Can't make it to the facility? We also hit the road in our mobile unit with drop-off events throughout the area. And for quick guidance on the proper disposal of thousands of items, be sure to use the Stearns County Waste Wizard app. By bringing your household hazardous waste to us, you're doing more than just decluttering your garage. You're investing in the well-being of our entire community. On average, we prevent over 500,000 pounds of harmful materials from entering landfills every year, collecting items from as many as 10,000 households. That's a small action with a monumental impact. When it comes to household hazardous waste, remember, don't toss, drop off. And together we can keep Stearns and our partner counties safe, healthy, and vibrant for all. To find a full list of accepted items and mobile drop-off events, visit stearnscountymn.gov/wastewizard or download the Stearns County Waste Wizard app.